Here I have VIVO IQOO U3, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts from SIM card to this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Contacts application. Then you should switch to the Fix and Manage section. Select Manage SIM. Then select which contacts you want to import. You can select them all and then just tap import, and after that these contacts will appear on your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.